Endow. 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 It is a verb word, which means to provide or grant someone or something with a particular quality, attribute, or possession. It can also refer to the act of giving a gift or donation, typically in the form of money or property, to an organization or individual for a specific purpose or benefit. Let's use this word in a sentence. The wealthy couple endows new sets of equipment to the hospital. Endow. If you find it helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons to get notified for more. Thank you so much.